For centuries, we've gazed up at the moon, seeing it as a silent, barren companion, a dusty, lifeless rock, eternally bound to Earth. But what if that was all a lie? What if everything we thought we knew about the moon was fundamentally wrong? Prepare yourselves, because we are about to peel back the layers of a cosmic mystery, one that suggests our lunar neighbor is hiding a secret of immense proportions, a secret hidden just beneath its cratered surface, a secret that could rewrite the future of humanity and space forever. Think about it, we've called the moon a desert, but what if it's an oasis in disguise? For decades, the prevailing scientific view was that the moon was bone dry, baked by solar radiation for billions of years. Stripping it of any volatile compounds like water, the Apollo samples seem to confirm this. They came back dusty and dry. Case closed, right? But science is a story of constant revision. In recent years, hints of water began to appear. Small patches of ice, detected in the permanent shadows of craters near the lunar poles. These were exciting, but considered minor anomalies. Little pockets of frost in an otherwise desolate wasteland, but this was just the tip of the iceberg. Literally, the real revelation was hiding much, much deeper. It all started with a ghost in the machine, data from a bygone era. During the Apollo missions, astronauts left behind seismometers on the lunar surface. For years, these instruments recorded moonquakes and meteorite impacts, sending ripples of energy through the moon's interior. This data, a sort of lunar ultrasound, was filed away, its full potential unrealized. Now, decades later, with vastly more powerful computing, scientists are reanalyzing these old seismic shock waves, and they're finding something astonishing, something that shouldn't be there. The echoes from the deep are telling a new story. As these seismic waves travel through the moon, they change speed. In some layers, deep beneath the surface, they slow down dramatically. This change in velocity is a telltale sign, a seismic signature that points to a change in the material they're passing through. And one of the prime suspects capable of causing such a change is a massive hidden reservoir of water ice. This isn't just a single blip on a screen. Modern orbital missions are adding weight to this incredible theory. Satellites equipped with powerful radar are mapping the moon like never before, peering beneath the regolith, the loose layer of dust and rock covering the surface. They read detecting anomalies regions that reflect radar waves in a way that is consistent with thick deposits of ice. Gravitational mapping missions are also finding strange variations in the moon's gravity field, hinting at massive, less dense structures buried deep within the crust. When you combine the seismic data, the radar echoes, and the gravity maps, a stunning picture emerges. It's not a question of small, isolated pockets of ice anymore. We could be talking about vast, frozen oceans, locked away for eons, a hidden cryosphere kilometers beneath our feet if we were standing on the moon. Imagine the implications. This isn't just a scientific curiosity. This discovery would fundamentally change everything about space exploration. Right now, every drop of water, every kilogram of oxygen, every gram of fuel needed for a mission has to be launched from Earth. This is incredibly expensive and limits the scope and duration of our ventures into space. It's what scientists call the tyranny of the rocket equation. But if the moon has its own vast supply of water, it becomes more than just a destination. It becomes a gas station. It becomes a port. Water, H2O, can be split into hydrogen and oxygen. That's breathable air for astronauts. It's also the most powerful chemical rocket propellant known. The moon could become a self-sufficient outpost, a staging point for the rest of the solar system. We could refuel missions to Mars and beyond, not from Earth, but from our own cosmic backyard. Think of a permanent human settlement on the moon, not a temporary camp, but a true lunar city. With a readily available source of water, this vision snaps into focus. We could establish closed-loop life support systems, where water is used, recycled, and reused for drinking, sanitation, and even agriculture. Imagine greenhouses on the moon, growing fresh food for lunar inhabitants, all sustained by water extracted from beneath the surface. The Oasis Moon concept, once a distant science fiction dream, would become a tangible engineering project. This would reduce our dependence on Earth to almost zero, making long-term habitation not just possible, but sustainable. We wouldn't just be visitors on the moon, we'd be residents. This potential is so game-changing that a new space race is already underway. Not a race for flags and footprints, but a race for resources, a race to drill. Several upcoming missions from space agencies and private companies around the world are being designed with one primary goal: to land on the moon, drill deep beneath the surface, and confirm the existence of these hidden reservoirs once and for all. This is no easy task. Lunar drilling presents a host of nightmarish engineering challenges. The hardware has to survive extreme temperature swings, from scorching hot to unimaginably cold. It has to chew through the abrasive, razor-sharp lunar regolith, and then bore through kilometers of solid rock to reach the target zones. These drills will be some of the most advanced robotic systems ever built. Marvels of engineering designed to answer one of the biggest questions in modern science. Will they find a thin, disappointing layer of frost? Or will their drills break through into a thick, solid sea of ancient ice? The stakes are incredibly high. The validation of these hidden lunar oceans would be a discovery on par with the discovery of the New World. It would unlock a new era of exploration, transforming our relationship with space. The moon would no longer be the final destination, the end of the line. It would be the beginning, a bustling hub of science, industry, and exploration, a stepping stone to the stars. The silent gray world we see in our night sky is hiding a secret, a deep, cold, and powerful secret, and we are on the very brink of exposing it. The next giant leap for humankind might not be a step onto another world, but a drill bit breaking through into the moon's hidden ocean. The echoes from the deep are calling to us, and soon we will answer. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey into the unknown. If this cosmic mystery blew your mind, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. What do you think is hiding beneath the lunar surface? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up.